Okay, now let us try to discuss the compromise, conciliation, and negotiation. Okay, so all of you have discussed your own understanding about these three, the compromise and consensus in politics. Okay, give me one. Compromise. Anybody? Compromise? Yes? Ano sinasabi natin? What is your understanding about compromise?
Yung pag na po nila yung pagtatalo.
Pagtatalo na?
Solusyon na po nila.
Nasolusyonan? Okay, another? Yes?
Parang may sabi yung compromise, ito po may
Dalawang two opposing parties.
Isang po ay, example po is yung sa A po ay for, kunyari sa pera po,
Aha.
450, tapos yung pong isa ay 500. Parang
Okay.
pinag-ano daw nila.
Parang they are trying to amend or to mend, okay, to resolve a particular solution, for a certain problem. Okay? So there's compromise. Another, we have the negotiation. Which comes first? Compromise or negotiation? Planas?
Ma'am, negotiation is para sa is para trading na ibabasa. Halimbawa po is, basa po natin is maayaman sa banana. Ang US pays more weapon. So, makapag-trade po sila ng good relief goods and weapon.
Okay, another answer? Yes, si Paras. Okay, two opposing.
Ang suggestion po siya, tapos may rin po, kung makikikuha po nila, papasok po yung decision po.
Okay, so there will be negotiation. Okay, and what is the purpose of the negotiation? Diba sa compromise natin, they are trying to mend, or to arrive at a particular solution, diba? In the negotiation. What about in the negotiation? What about the nasa na tayo? Negotiation. Yung kanina is compromise pala. Sorry. Okay, now in the negotiation, you are trying to to resolve conflict. Okay? And then the conciliation, ulit natin. Sige, the compromise, ulitin natin. Compromise is all about to resolve conflict pa rin, or to compromise into one agreement.